Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix scanning and repairing disk drive every time Windows 10 restarts. Type CMD. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Type exit from command prompt. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.